We're just blasting up the highway into Regensburg. So this is the 16. So we're gonna just go out and grab some coffee, enjoy the ride, and I thought I'd show you around Regensburg a little. We're 30 kilometers out, so we're about 20 miles. So that's not too bad. We'll make that up fairly quickly. As you can see, the roads are quite empty. It's 6 p.m. on a Thursday night. I had to think about that then. So it's 6 p.m. on a Thursday night. Tomorrow I'm heading off to the Black Forest. And a bit of fun. Catch you in a bit. Hey guys, welcome back. Right, we are now approaching Regensburg and we're starting to back up with traffic, and this little Peugeot in front of me is not knowing where he's doing. It's all over the lane, so I can't actually get past him, and I think he's doing it deliberately. As you can see, it's blocking the motorcycle lane. What we're going to do is come off at the old part of Regensburg and go in up Profunig, and come in that way. No, I'm not. I'm coming off in a different part, because I don't want to go to the commercial part. So we're going to go through the tunnel and then Pfaffenstein. Head towards that and then come off at the last minute. Regensburg is a big tourist town and also a big university town. It's a market town around here, so it's busy and it's very, very popular. And because it is, it has a rather nice culture. As you can see, push bikes rule around here, but let's find somewhere to park up. And then grab something to eat, I think, and drink. Catch you later.